I'm like, what does this guy know, right? He made 32 billion. This guy's 16 years old, making 4 million per year. What did he do? This guy's 64, just bought a jet with social media revenue, right? What did he do? And how do I get that? And how do I teach that, right? The way you'll achieve financial independence as an entrepreneur or as an individual entering the job market has changed in the modern world. Everything's changed, okay? E-commerce, knowing how to do business online, e-commerce has created the richest men in the world. E-commerce, social media, and the internet is the new wealth creation tool. It's not real estate anymore. Think of Jeff Bezos, right? Think of Mark, think of Bill, think of Grant Cardone. So knowing how to do things online, how to do or launch a globally scalable e-commerce business is what you need to learn. Number two is, how do you get the word out, right? How do you get your message in front of the right people at the right time who already want what you're selling? And the answer is social media, all right? There has never been a better way to do that than with social media. It's way better than TV ads, but they don't teach you that in your $64,000 college or university degree. No, there's no degree on social media, e-commerce, the internet, the skills you need to succeed in those spaces, exact processes that you'd customize, plug and play right now, scripts, scalable systems, all put in one package. So I'll put a link below and that will take you to a new school. Now this school was a game changer for me that I think could be a game changer for you. So I'm like trying to accumulate little bits of knowledge, right? I moved across the country. I've spent hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars investing in mentors, 5 years of my time just studying before I got here, right? What does this person know? Is this person successful? And how did he do that, right? And how can I do that too? And how can I package that up into a system that's guaranteed to work for anyone, regardless of past experience? I'm like, what does this guy know, right? He made 32 billion. This guy's 16 years old, making 4 million per year. What did he do? This guy's 64, just bought a jet with social media revenue, right? What did he do? And how do I get that? And how do I teach that, right? Spending my money, energy, and time to find out what's relevant to you and I. So click the link below. You'll be brought to my school. We show you exactly how to start and scale, and even beyond that, how to do everything. How to get started, how to get good, how to scale to 6 figures, how to scale to 7 figures, how to continue that success, and every single little detail, skill, process, and structure in between. They don't teach this stuff anywhere else, and everyone who knows it doesn't want to share it because it's getting them loaded. Click the link below. It's application only, just like regular school. It's just more relevant to today, and we have limited spots because we work one-on-one with everybody to guarantee your success and keep the momentum rolling. I'll see you guys soon.